Our next guest has appeared on many TV shows, including David Letterman and America's Got Talent. She is one of the top trick dog trainers in all of the world. And she also partners with the Service Dog Agency to train dogs for disabled veterans. Here with a very special Christmas performance, would you please give a very big welcome to Sara Carson and the Super Collies. Sara Carson. Absolutely amazing. Sara, that was fantastic.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
you got your hands full, don't you?
There's chicken all over
You know,
the
I
place,
just
but-
wish somehow that you could train Keith and Trey as effectively as you have these dogs. I would be impressed.
Good girl.
What a beautiful dog. Both of these dogs, just fantastic.
Thank you.
You have an app, which I am going to download because it's about training puppies called
Yes.
Pupper.
It is, yes.
Tell us about What will we learn when we get that?
Oh, you can train your dog everything from leash manners, crate training, place work, and walking handstands, backflips, frisbee. Yeah, it's available on iOS and Android.
Well, if that doesn't work, I'm going to call you, and you're going to be in residence at my house with my 2 puppies for about 6 months.
Sounds
and we'll
good.
see what we can do. Also, the wonderful book, Super Dog Tricks, that Sara has done to see more of Sara Carson and the Super Collies. What an amazing, amazing thing. You can get Sara's book. It's called Super Dog Tricks. And if you want to download her new dog training app, Pupper, just go to Huckabee.tv. We're going to fetch that link for you. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Since you made it here to the end, that must mean you liked the video. So you might as well subscribe and hit that notification bell below. But if you really hated it, just click the like button 3 times.